Okay, thank you so much for that, Sajid. Let me bring in Rupak. Rupak, when I'm looking at the OI distribution, you're seeing a huge build up at the 24K mark, largely positive, right?
Yeah, definitely largely positive. But one thing we need to see that for the last 7 8 days, Nifty has been trading below its 50 days exponential moving average. So the sentiment is likely to remain negative, and the positivity in the crude price is also adding to this bearishness. But definitely, the option data is positive. We need to see if tomorrow Nifty sustains above 24,000 or not. If Nifty fails to sustain above 24,000, then the put writers will run away from their position. But however, if Nifty sustains above 24,000 tomorrow, then it is likely to move towards 24,285 on intraday basis. Above that, further rally might come. So overall, I'm a bit skeptical. If 24,000 is held, then only I'm expecting a significant rally in the Nifty.
Okay, so that's your reading on the charts. But Rupak, hi, good to be speaking with you. Also, give us your sense on which stocks are looking good right now. Where is the bias amid the market?
So mostly the broader market stocks are doing very good. My first stock would be AB Capital. The stock has given a consolidation breakout. Apart from that, the stock has moved above its falling trend line on the daily chart. The stock is looking very good. I would recommend a buy call here at around 361 for a target of 380. On the lower end, I would place a stop loss at 349. The other stock would be Nika. The stock is in a consolidation, but prior to this consolidation, the stock had a significant rally. So after a rally, when stock consolidates, and then when the consolidation ends, the stock might move up towards the original direction. In this case, it is the on the upper side, higher side. So on the higher end, the stock might move towards 285 in the short term. So it's a buy call at around 270 for a target of 285. On the lower end, stop loss would be at 258.
Rupak, two, three of the sectors which have been clear outperformers, rank outperformers for the month of April have been energy, which is power stocks and ancillaries, as well as realty. What next for these two segments?
So recently, we have seen that Nifty pharmaceutical and healthcare sector they have given a consolidation breakout, and they have also moved above their falling trend line on the daily time frame. So I expect a significant rally happening in this sector, Nifty pharmaceutical and Nifty healthcare stocks. Most of the stocks, more or less 60-70% of the stocks are likely to do good in this space.
Okay, so that's on some of the sectors that we've been discussing. But yes, Rupa, clearly sector rotation is at play. We always talk about the Nifty bank in tandem, but what about the PSU basket? If you take a look at Tuesday's trading session particularly, it was Nifty Finance, Nifty PSU banks that was under pressure. What is the outlook on the recovery in financials, and how soon are you seeing this take place on the charts?
So Nifty financial banking, apart from small cap and mid cap private sector banks, all the banking stocks are not are looking more or less bearish to me. And apart from the PSU banks and large cap private sector banks, the financials are also looking, mainly large cap financial are looking a bit slightly bearish. And so more or less bearishness might persist in this space in the days to come.
Okay, Rupak, thank you so much for joining us this today and giving us that perspective with regard to markets for the day of trade on Wednesday. We'll let you go on that note. All right, let me in fact go